2000 Nissan Frontier brake switch replacement. Also the grommet fell off a little while ago, so it has no grommet in the back. First gotta take these things off, these covers off, to make it more comfortable with the removal. And this the cover over here on top of the column, steering column, and also the one on the bottom. A couple of screws, no instructions on that because it's not that hard, but this is for the screw control, and this is where and this hole, I don't know if the camera is gonna get this hole here. This is where the switch brake switch goes. And on here I just put two screws with 10mm nuts, one here and one here, so that's gonna replace the grommet. I hope it can get, the camera can get those 10mm nuts with the screws. They gotta go in the holes here, in each hole. So now this is the connector for the brake light switch. So I replaced the brake switch because also it's not good. I tested and it doesn't work even with the nut that I put there. So now I have a new one from the dealer.